Welcome to our guide on mastering Gate.io account verification. Let's unlock your trading potential. KYC, or Know Your Customer, is crucial for crypto exchanges. It ensures security and regulatory compliance. For Gate.io verification, you'll need identification documents and proof of address. Let's break down the process. Start by logging into your Gate.io account and navigating to the verification section in the Security Center. Follow these steps. Select KYC verification, choose your country and level, upload documents, and submit for approval. Ensure clear, high-quality document scans and accurate personal information to avoid verification delays. After verification, funds may need manual crediting. Don't hesitate to contact support if necessary. Completing KYC brings benefits like increased withdrawal limits, enhancing your trading flexibility. Want even higher limits? You can request them through customer support after verification. Facing issues? Don't worry. Gate.io offers various support options to help you through the process. Gate.io provides support through live chat and email. Reach out if you need assistance. Remember, account security is paramount in the crypto world. Verification is your first step towards safe trading. Ready to unlock your full trading potential? Let's get your Gate.io account verified now. Don't wait. Click the link below to create your Gate.io account and start your verification journey today.